Got a new pen today, it's been too long anyway since I wrote birthday. Came and went, got new shoes, my own money spent, nothing different, not true. If you only knew, indifferent, you blew through this thing called life. Remembering less and less of what you thought you knew. Almost full, got your wife, trying hard to remember. Like your memories are in a reverse blender, spitting at the top, cut each bubble with a knife. Stop, that's enough, rebuff the roughs. That's enough, rebuff the rough spots, split the guff. Rebuff the rough spots, the guff. Knots tied tight, just not spied right. A blight on the night, sunshine, bathe in the light of the moon shining, bathe in the light of the moon shining through the window in your room. Same light, just reflected, a reflection you expected to see of you in your mirror unexpectedly. It's me, who's there? Inspected the room to see where I could be, but only in the mirror. Can you see me? Am I there? Or is your mind infected by a virus? Miley Cyrus eating fried rice beside it, confused, looking at the look I'm giving you. Be news, you feel used and tired, looking at yourself from my side. Now too late, expired the milk for my cereal. Here they come, imperial stormtroopery, hired in a stupor, policing the time like Lupa. Escape my sentence, a pittance, not enough, they say good riddance. One instant, then instantly in another instant, like a different sentence, started on top of one that hadn't ended. What is this? I missed it, the last moment we had, endless, the missed it, I missed it, the last moment we had, endless, last moment we had, endless.